How much interest is earned of 6,200 pesos at 4% for 1 year? Let's identify first what are given. So 6,200 pesos, that is the principal, 6,200. And then 4% is the rate or the interest rate. And the time, which is 1 year. So time is 1 year. The formula in finding the unknown, which is interest, is I is equal to P R T. Principal times rate times time. Let's solve and substitute. P, which is 6,200 pesos, times rate, 4%, convert that to decimal by moving 2 decimal places to the left. So that will be 0.04 times the year, which is 1. And then 6,200 times 0.04 is 248 times 1, that is 248 pesos. So the interest is 248 pesos for 1 year. What was the interest rate if your balance on an investment of 27,750 at the end of 6 years is 41,070? Let's identify what is unknown and what are given. So from the question, what was the interest rate? So rate is unknown. And then an investment. So that is the initial deposit or the principal, which is 27,750. And then we have 6 years. That is the time. 6 years. And then to identify the interest rate, so we have an ending balance, 41,070. The interest rate is included here to find the interest. So end balance minus beginning balance. So our ending balance is 41,070, and then our beginning balance or the principal, which is 27,750. So if we subtract, we will get 13,320. So this is now our interest. So let's solve. Using the triangle, we can identify the formula. So interest is equal to principal times rate times time. This line indicates division. And then, so rate is unknown, so R is equal to, we cover R, interest divided by the principal times time. So the interest is 13,320 divided by the principal is 27,750 times the time, which is 6 years. Okay, so 13,320 divided by the product of 27,750 times 6, that is 166,500. Cancel the peso sign. So 13,320 divided by 166,500 is 0.08. To convert it to percent, multiply by 100. So the rate is 8%. At what rate was an investment made that obtains 2,520 on 10,500 over 4 years? Let's identify again the unknown and the given. So at what rate? So rate is unknown. Okay, investment obtains, so that will be the interest because it obtains 2,520. And the investment is the principal, which is 10,500 over 4 years. So the time is 4 years. So to identify the formula, we use a triangle. Interest is equal to principal times rate times time. So to get the formula, we cover the rate. So that will be I divided by principal times time. So I over principal times time. So the interest is 2,520 divided by the principal, which is 10,500 times the time of 4 years. So 2,520 divided by the product of 10,500 and 4, that will be 42,000. 42,000. So cancel the peso sign. So 2,520 divided by 42,000 is 0.06. 6. So let's convert 0.06 by multiplying 102%. So the rate is 6%. If a loan is taken out for 15,900 at 9% and cost 8,586, how long was the loan for? So the loan is 15,000, so that is the principal, 15,900. And then rate, the rate is 9%, so R is 9%. And it costs 8,586, that will be the interest. Cost indicates the interest. So that is 8,586. And how long? So it means time. So time is unknown. To compute for the time, using the triangle, interest is equal to principal times rate times time. So to compute for time, so interest divided by principal times rate. So time is equal to interest divided by the principal times rate. So rate is given. So the interest is 8,586 divided by the principal, which is 15,900, times the rate. Convert the rate to decimal. That will be moving 2 decimal place to the left. That is 0.09. So 8,586 divided by the product of 15,900 and 0.09 is 1,431. So cancel the peso sign. So 8,586 divided by 1,431 is 6. So the time is 6 years. A bank is offering 3.5% simple interest on savings account. If you deposit 10,555, how much interest will you earn in 2 years? So what are the given and unknown? So 3.5%, that is the rate. And then if you deposit, so that will be your principal, which is 10,555. And then how much interest? So interest is unknown. Will you earn in 2 years? So we have time, which is 2 years. Remember, the formula in finding the interest is principal symbolizes by P times rate times time. So let's substitute. Interest is equal to the principal, that is 10,555 times the rate. We convert the rate, move 2 decimal places to the left, 1, 2. That is 0.035 times the time, which is 2 years. So get the product, and the answer is 738.85 pesos. That is the interest of the deposit in bank. Thank you for watching.